Play friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to have a look at what planners I am going to be using starting July. Probably only up to the next release because I usually go and get the new ones, but they are 18-month planners, so I can actually use them right through until December next year. So let's have a look at my setup. So what I've got here is my Frankenplanner. And in here, I have all of my planners. I put 3 months of each planner in here, and then I swap them out as the month goes. And I will have a July Franking planning video coming out very shortly, so stay tuned for that. What I have in my lineup at the moment is I have a catch-all, I have a creative journal, I have a wellness, and I am going to add to that and I've got a social media, sorry, and I'm going to add to that hopefully a budgeting one, and I was going to add a work one, but I don't know whether I will do that or not, or whether I will just have used daily pages. I haven't quite made up my mind, but anyway, well, let's move this one out of the way and we'll start off with what I am going to use. So this wonderful big pile here. So I put little stickers on them so I can remember what they were, because I can never remember what planner I'm using for what, but I'm going to actually put the stickers inside them so I can remember for next time. So this first one is actually it's called Playful Tile, and it's a 18 month. And I'm using this one for my catch-all. So I've actually got July out of here. And when I do my July video with my Frankenplanner, how I set it up, I'll be taking August out. And I'll be putting May back in. So that's sort of how it works. So this is an absolutely gorgeous planner. I just love the colours in it. They're so bright and cheerful and just absolutely gorgeous. I had a look. This one is still available on the Happy Planner website. But of course, me being in Australia, I don't know where you guys live, but it does take a little bit of time to post out to us. So you can also have a look at other couple of shops that I look at and that I get from Washi Gang. They're based in, I think, the Gold Coast in Queensland, which is great because I'm in Brisbane, so it's just up the road. And also Planners Avenue, stock Happy Planner stuff as well. I'm sure there are more, but they're about the two that I use, and I will pop their links below for you. So, okay, this one will be my catch-all, and of course I use and sorry, I'm still suffering from my cold, so I will be sniffing and I will be clearing my throat and carrying on like a pork chop. Just bear with me. So this will be, this is a vertical layout. So, and I just love how neutral all the planners are in this lineup. I think this one came out in the spring release. I think most of these ones that I'm using come out in the spring release. So anyway, this will be used as my catch-all. So this is the next one. Sorry, there's a bit of a glare from my light. I'll see if I can move my light and get the glare off a little bit for you. That's the trouble with filming these with lights. No, I don't think I made that any better. Okay, anyway, this is the, hold it up, that's better. This is the Blushing It, and it is an 18th month planner as well, so it goes right through till December 2023, and I am going to be using this one for my creative journal. Now, in the creative journal, I actually use a vertical. And if you have a look through any of my flip through videos and that, I just love being able to pop stickers and decorations everywhere and just ride all over the place. If it happened on Monday, I'll try and get it on Monday, but if not, I'll pop something down on Tuesday. I just like to capture what's happened sort of in the week. A lot of people like to use a horizontal. I am not a big fan of a horizontal. I don't know why, maybe because they remind me of my old school diary that I had. But anyway, I really enjoy doing a creative journal in here, in a vertical. So that's what I'm sticking with. And these just have some great things: be brave and kind and unapologetically you. As long as you know who you are, it doesn't matter what others think. I mean, some of the quotes are just beautiful, and I think very fitting for a journal. The best version of, well, be the best version of you. So, and they keep going. I don't really write anything too personal. Well, not personalised per se, but nothing really that I don't mind sharing in my creative journal. It's mainly just what's happening in my day, what might be going on with the world, how I'm feeling at the time. Not really delving into too much. But that is going to change. But I'm not going to be putting it in here. I'm going to be putting it into the next planner we're having a look at. This next planner we're having a look at is the Radiate, and it again is an 18-month planner, so it goes right through till December 2023, and I am going to be using this as my wellness, and you might sort of see I've started there, and I will continue on in July, August. July is in my, what's it called? My Frankenplanner. Anyway, so I actually use this. It's just a basic vertical, and I set it up to be my wellness planner. I pop in, well, as I'm using it at the moment, I'll just grab my Frankenplanner to show you just quickly. And I haven't actually done this week. Well, I didn't fill it out last week neither, I don't think, because I haven't been feeling well. So I've just sort of left it. But here it is for June. Sorry. So what I do is up the top, I will put any workouts or any classes I'm going to, and I'll pop in flowers. I'll pop in any decorations up here. I'll pop in down the side my hydrate for the week, a positive word, a feeling, and what I'm watching. This is what I did on this week. And I did the meals, and I did my sort of stats from my Garmin watch, but I don't know if I will carry that on. I did do this setup, as you can see, for last week. I haven't, I did a couple of different things over here. I've got a Planet video for that if you want to have a look at it. I couldn't keep filling it out because I got sick. So, and I don't know if I'll keep doing the meals down there because I'm really bad at putting my meals in. I don't know why, but I am. I just don't do it. Maybe I'll just list what I have for dinner, my main meal of the day. I'm not quite sure. What I'm still going to keep, though, is I'm still going to keep tracking what I'm doing. That might change up just a little bit, but I'm still going to be doing this. I'll still be doing the decorations and my workouts and my classes and the mood trackers. I love those. I don't know if I don't think I'll be doing this anymore. I think what I might do is pop in a journaling prompt and actually do a, how I'm feeling today, or, get a little bit more in depth with my journaling. So that was just my thought on this, but watch this page for my my setup video for the next one will be actually for July next week, which is the 4th to the 5th, 4th to the 10th I will do. So you'll see what my wellness journal will look like then, and it might actually change again because I might change my mind. I do that occasionally. So let's get on to my next planner. So my next planner is this one, which is the Mixed Media Mum. It is an 18th month planner again through to December 2023, and it is a dashboard planner. And I have been using this one for my social media planning, and it's a dashboard and it is different. It has these sort of like a snapshot of the week, errands, get it done, and and then it has the days over here. Have a look at one of my planning videos, and you'll be able to see what I do. I might pop a pin up there, or I might pop it down below. Have a look and see, and you can see how I decorate it and what I do. But I am thinking of switching it back up again. I might have a look and see and try. We're only in early, well, we haven't even, as I'm filming this, we haven't even got to July yet. So I'm thinking of changing this, and I did try it one other time, and I thought I would change it to, so I'm just going to stick that in there, a monthly planner. And this is a Undated Monthly. It is well, it's got 12 months in there, but they're all undated. Of course, you get your months here. I couldn't find it. The Happy Planner website has sold out, but I did find it on the Washi Gang or on Planners Avenue if you want to have a look. And I did do May. Oh, no, I did. Oh, yeah, I did that for May. And this is how I was thinking of setting it out. Doing that for the overview of the month, and then this for the each week will have a thing here. I'm really thinking that may be better for me. So this is what it looks like. This is a blank a blank month for you. So you've got this overview page on it. You've got the check it off, the note to self, the top priorities, jot it down, all of that. Then you have 4 pages of your dot points, which I'm going to make the 4 pages of the week. And then you have a couple of pages of notes pages, which I thought would be great too, because I love to jot down notes and things about what I'm going to post and what I'm going to do here on YouTube and things like that. So I'm thinking that I may switch it up to this, or maybe use them side by side and just see which one I like the best. So this will be another one that is added to my collection. Now this one's a bit of a trick one, because this is a cover from an old planner that I had last year. I think it was the Archetypes or the Doodle or something like that. I'm not quite sure. It just houses all of my bits that I can't find homes for, but at the moment it's actually got my daily pages in there, because I have been using daily pages that are come in an expansion pack. So these are the daily pages that I'm using, and I had been using it, as you could see from there. I've been using it in sort of May, April, a little bit of June, and I'm going to start using it again. Instead of using, I was going to use a different planner for work, but I I write things for work. A lot of the stuff I do, I don't need to write every day. It just happens, type thing. I know what I need to do, so I just do it. There's only occasional days where I need to jot down what I need to do and things like that. So I'm thinking that the daily would be better with that, and I can keep any additional things like meetings and stuff in my catch-all planner if I need to. I had been doing it out like this, as you can see. This is one from April, where I would put down what I would do for YouTube and what I would do for Facebook and Instagram, and then things that I wanted to do. So I might keep that set up, but I might actually also make, instead of having, I might pop in work and home or something like that, and just, yeah, I'm going to work out a different way of doing it. I did actually think of even putting on this page, I could just go down there with times and write times to do things, or whatever I wanted to do. So anyway, that might change up a little bit. I'm just going to have a bit of a feel for what I like to do. So yeah, but you can buy these. I think you can still buy these from the Happy Planner. I'm not quite sure, didn't check, but I do know that Washi Gang still have some, and I'm not sure about Planners Avenue, but like I said, I've got the links below, so you can go and have a look if you were looking at dailies. My budget planner, Know Your Worth, and this is an undated Hello Savings, and it's 12 months, so you get 12 months in here, 12 sections. It's still available on the Washi Gang, sold out on the Happy Planner. So, and this one has in it, it's all has your monthly, and then it is all about your expenses and your savings and tracking your budget. So hubby recently got a new job. He was getting paid monthly, and I can't tell you how much a pain in the ass, excuse my French, getting paid monthly is. He has got a new job, and he is now going to be paid fortnightly. Thank the Lord. I just am so pleased that he's going back to fortnightly. He's going to make budgeting and saving and everything so much more easier. Hence why I'm going to try and use this. I don't know if I will use the, sorry, the dogs are going off. I think they've heard out the back. They're going to say hello. I don't know if I'm going to use housing, food, utilities, personal, all of the things that are used here, savings tracker and account accounts plus debts. I don't know if I will use those same headings or if I'll change it up to what I will want. I like these weekly expenses bits, and the checking it off at the end of the end of the month to see how you went, and any unexpected spends, like if the car breaks down and you need to service the car and things like that. So I will keep 1 month. I thought I would keep 1 month of these in my Frankenplanner, and then the rest will come back to live in here. So that is the last and final planner that I have, and it is going to be my budgeting planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you enjoyed having a look at the planners that I plan to use going forward. If you do, can you please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me.